Good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome back to your offline class. In previous offline classes, we have just finished all the topics and subtopics of the chapter Air Around Us, and today I am going to discuss the exercise question answer of this topic. Okay, students? So try to follow me. First question from your book, that is from exercise, that is, what is the composition of air? We have already discussed it with a pie diagram. Okay, there are so many components of gases, nitrogen, oxygen, mainly nitrogen and oxygen, that makes total 99%, and 1% carbon dioxide and other gases along with water vapor. So I'm trying to write this all answers in the board, so try to follow me, students. Okay, let's start. So the first answer you must write that what is the composition of air. So air comprises of water vapor, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, dust, and smoke, and so many other gases also. Okay, so this is the main composition of air. Okay, okay, let's start with other question, that is the next question from your book, that is, which gas in the atmosphere is essential for respiration? As you know, for respiration, which is more essential, that is oxygen. So you must write answer like the way that 2-number answer, that is oxygen in the atmosphere is essential for respiration. Understood this one, students? Okay, so we have done up to question number 2. Now comes to question number 3. What is this question number 3? That is, how will you prove that air supports burning? In your book there is already an experiment that you have to take a candle and place it in a tub, then light the candle and fill the tub with water, and candle starts glowing after some time. Now cover the candle with an inverted glass. Now you will find that candle blows out after burning for some time, and the water level inside the inverted glass rises to some extent, and the components of oxygen of the air inside the glass is used up in burning. Therefore the water occupies that space, and this shows that air supports burning, that I have already discussed. So question number 3 will be your homework. Just keep it in mind that you have to do it with your own words. You have to write this answer in your own words, and through e-portal I will check this answer. 3-number question homework. Okay, I hope you understood this one. Okay, now comes to 4th number question, that is, how will you show that air is dissolved in water? Okay, there is also another experiment through which you can easily say that air is dissolved in water. Now, if we heat a tumbler filled with water before they start boiling, bubbles occur. Now this presence of bubbles are due to presence of air. So we can say these bubbles are due to presence of air or oxygen in water. Okay, I hope you understood. So we can say that air dissolved in air. Now these experiments concludes air is present in the water. Okay, so air is present in the water. I hope you understood, everyone. No, very easy answer. That is, if we heat a tumbler filled with water, before they start boiling, bubbles occur. These bubbles are due to presence of air in the water, and this experiment concludes that air is present in the water. Okay, I hope you understood, everyone. Now comes to fifth number question. We have already done fourth number question. Now comes to fifth number question, that why does a lump of cotton wool shrink in water? As you know, they shrink in water because air inside the cotton lumps are replaced by the water, so that makes the layer stick together. Okay, so I am writing the answer for question number 5. Okay, question number 5 answer, that is the lump of cotton wool shrink in water because the air inside the cotton lumps are replaced by water, which makes the layer stick together. The layer stick together. Understood? So there we have finished the answer of question number 5. Now comes to question number 6. Question number 6 is fill in the blanks from your book, that you can see the layer of air around the earth is known as, that is a blanket known as atmosphere. So 6 answer will be atmosphere. Okay, atmosphere. I hope you understood this answer. Now 7 question is also fill in the blanks, that is the components of air used by green plants to make their food is dash. That is, you know that we exhale more, that is carbon dioxide. Okay, carbon dioxide. I hope you understood this answer up to 7. Now comes to 8 question. Only 2 questions left. List 5 activities that are possible due to the presence of air. There are so many activities that are taking place naturally, that is due to presence of air. I have already discussed it with so many examples, just as for the process of making food in plants, that is photosynthesis, you know, then cloud formation also, then respiration, transpiration, winnowing. These all activities are possible due to presence of air. So I'm going to write this answer of question 8 on the board. Please follow me. I'm rubbing this 5 question, 6 question and 7 answer. Okay, now so 8 question answer you must write like this way: activities that are possible due to air are there. In the following you can see, first option you must write photosynthesis, then respiration, then water circle also, cloud formation, you can write cloud formation, you know, then respiration, cloud formation, photosynthesis, then you can write transpiration, and another one process that you know, that is winnowing, that is done after harvesting of some grain crops. Okay, so these are all the activities, these are possible due to presence of air. Okay, now comes to the last question from your NCERT book science, that is a 9 question, that how do plants and animals help each other in exchange of gases in the atmosphere. Okay, so first write down this question answer of 8, then I will write the answer of 9. Okay, I hope it will be finished. So I'm rubbing this answer. Now comes to the last question from your exercise, that is air around us. Okay, so 9 question is, how do plants and animals help each other in exchange of gases in the atmosphere. So you can write the answer that plants take carbon dioxide to give out oxygen. As you know, they need carbon dioxide during their food making process that is called photosynthesis. Now the oxygen is used by animals for respiration. Also plants utilize this oxygen for their respiration, but the amount of oxygen required by them during respiration, that is lower than that of the amount of oxygen they produce during their photosynthesis process. Okay, so here animals for respiration, you have written to expel out carbon dioxide during respiration. You know, more amount of carbon dioxide is expelled out by the organisms, living organisms. Okay, and this carbon dioxide in return used by the plants, and this carbon dioxide is used by plants to prepare food, okay, to prepare food. And this way we can say that plants and animals help each other in the exchange of gases in the atmosphere. Okay, so here I have completed all the question answer of the topic air around us. Okay students, now I am again telling the answer, that is plants take carbon dioxide and to give out oxygen. As you know, they actually requires carbon dioxide during their photosynthesis, and then they as a whole product they release oxygen, and this oxygen is used by the animals for their respiration. Not only used by the animals, also plants use this oxygen for their respiration. Now the amount of oxygen that is required by the plants, that is lesser than that of the amount of oxygen that is produced in the process of photosynthesis. Okay, that you have to remember. And so you can say the oxygen is used by the animals for respiration and to expel out carbon dioxide. As you know, in the respiration process carbon dioxide is expelled out. Now this carbon dioxide is used by plants to prepare their food, and this way we can say plants and animals help each other to exchange in the exchange of gases in the atmosphere. I hope you understood students. In the next class we will do the next topic. Okay students, that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.